Hi there, I'm Jonas and welcome back to another episode from our Tanzania series. In today's video, we're going to be discussing commercial filming in Tanzania, an extraordinary destination with breathtaking landscapes and majestic wildlife. So let's dive right in and explore the ins and outs of filming in this beautiful country. If you have your sights set on filming in Tanzania, whether it's a documentary, a movie about your Kilimanjaro adventure, or any project requiring a professional camera, it's crucial to be aware of the necessary permits that you'll need from various Tanzanian authorities. For standard filming, a permit from the Tanzania Film Board is required. However, if your project involves shooting in national parks, you're also going to need a separate permit from the park authorities. It's also important to remember that an endorsement from your nearest Tanzanian embassy is essential for your application process. Drones add another layer of complexity as they're typically prohibited in protected areas. To use them, you will need additional permissions from the Tanzania National Parks Authority, the Civil Aviation Authority, and the Ministry of Defense. When bringing filming equipment into Tanzania, you'll need to pay a market price bond equal to the cost of your gear at the point of entry. Don't worry, this amount will be refunded to you upon departure. When filming in Tanzania's national parks, be prepared to pay additional fees for filming. These charges are separate from the standard park entry fees payable by all visitors. Navigating this process can be complicated and time-consuming, especially when dealing with authorities from overseas. Attempting to film without the proper permits is ill-advised, as park rangers and other officials strictly enforce the regulations. Any violations could result in impounded equipment, fines, and the derailment of your entire project. Fortunately, we here at Altezza Travel have extensive experience in assisting media crews with filming in Tanzania. Our team can help you obtain all the necessary permits, liaise with authorities, and even support you with filming logistics, transportation, and importing your equipment. Our guides can lead you to the most picturesque remote filming locations, both in the protected areas and urban or rural parts of Tanzania. We'll also help you communicate with the locals, acting as your on-site fixer. To learn more about our services in Tanzania, feel free to contact our team. You can also find a link to our article in this topic in the video description below. So there you have it. Tanzania is a stunning location for filming, and with the right guidance, permits, and support from Altezza Travel, you'll be well on your way to creating your masterpiece. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more exciting content about Kilimanjaro and Tanzania.